Hello everybody. Today I will show you how I can coding login page. Beforely you remembered before videos we created some widgets for easily usage. This page have some widgets. You looks like some custom text fields, and you remembered custom elevated button, and this in the bottom page have a custom icon button. For this look like easily because we have a three widget for pages and other things just text. I don't created this back button for this. I think about login page. My first page should be created, and let's start it. Uh, Actually, other things before starting, we have some padding. You look like there are some stuff and width and high. I will cut responsive design for this, and let's start it. How we can easily access, I will show you now. um, yeah, there. Before for start, I added some packages. There are is this go router. I will using go router package for navigation on this project. I added in my pubspec YAML. That's this. You can edit easily. And after this, before for login page UI, I need to created some constant variables for roots. For this, I need to create a roots page. In roots, looks like a package. Yeah, beforely class name have a roots, and after this need to call static for everybody. Call here router. Go router. Let's and import library inside need some roots for this t looks like a t object or root object, and inside the have a how we can call go root pages. Actually, firstly you need to define some pet. You can call any name pet. First of all, my first page is just here, and after this builder. Actually, I will call not this, just need to builder, and inside this actually builder looks like a yeah. Thanks for copilot, and with context. I don't have any my home page for use this import material, and for using any page, for example login view page. Before use this, I need to import created any page in out my view page. In out I created login view page dot dart and stateless widget is name login view page, and import material in back to roots is import library. In this here go routing. What's the wrong thing? Context. How we need to root. go router state, and this state go login page, need to add constant. Yeah, we can define here any routing pages. For example, one more into any pages. Actually copy and paste and change any paths. For example, I will say pet and other things pet page. For example, it's easily you can access any page like this, but you need to import edit some material app in main. Looks like a package in material app and router, some need to some things. Looks like a required root information parser and router delegate, and edit this list like this. Router for this routes, edit root package, router delegate. After this need to root information parser, they save, and routes router, and after this root information parser, GitHub Copilot, thank you. And this root navigation architecture, not architecture, is the package finished. We can start login page. First of all, we have some top of the here in just login title. After this, some blank, and after two two text field. Under is text button. After custom levels button in very blank, very much blank, and after text, and inside under the site is button page, two custom icon button. Let's create them here. First of all, we call scaffold inside the body, and inside one more body I will define inside outside widget body. Before this, for I use text fields, I need some global key and text field controller. UI but not requirements, but I will define now. I'm defining now before actually, if you wanna any integrated database, you need to some controller, and we have a widget, some controllers and some other things. Let's start it before the global key, global key, form state, and null label form key. And after this, need to text with controller text, I think controller email. Where is my autopilot? Text editing. Yeah. Yeah, GitHub Copilot very helpful about that. And need to some for texting, string some things, email for example, what equal to email controller text, email controller text, one more, yeah, like this. Very helpful, this Copilot. And now we can create it body widget, body, but body have a context like the oh, yeah, call all things like body inside the safe area. Now we can wait there. This looks like a padding inside the padding. Before this I need to import context and extension. I call for this I import padding context dot before I will need to import inside this context not high padding low, close this, yeah, padding low, and we have a child inside the column. This page column widget versus children. Now we can wait there. This and comma my body widget. First of all, I will create a title for this my title widget, yeah, and widget title call context, and inside the container inside the text need child text app localization dot of context dot login screen. Where is my localization defined? I import this. Now I can call login screen title, and inside text I need to some text style. This is have a headline title. We call headline text styles, and need to left side in my page. Like for this I added alignment dot top left inside the text align left inside style need to call a headline, import this, just headline, yeah, finish my title widget, but not import inside the body. Now I will finish all widgets, and after this my titles need to define text fields inside here. Form widgets, I can call this widgets form. I need to hold this inside form child column. Okay, now you need to call sizebox have a high but is not just high, inside the need to call my child text field custom widget. There are need to define something. Name, email, hi. Six, and width looks like same things with, yeah, and one more, need to controller. In this controller, email controller, yeah. In after size box copilot write it same thing for password. I call with copilot, but need to some empty inside size box just high so I think is okay. 4 widgets is finish, and after 4 widgets I need to call my forget your password button. Need to text button. I don't have a custom text button because just text they are defined like this. My text button, my forget password text button, like this. Widget forget password with context again, we call that, and inside the container because I need again alignment for like this flat button. I can call this, but we don't have a flat button. Copilot is wrong. Text button in call here. Forget password, not forget password, forget your password is not, I think, 11. I checked before this video, there are 14 px, and after this need to call my color is black, and looks like everything is okay. It's close. Top left, not top left, it's top right. Yeah, finish this forget password text button, and after this my login button called this widgets need to customize button. Actually we just login button inside again with context, and yeah, now just I don't need to call email control and password control, but in future need to call inside there, because for navigate and root authentication routing. And now call my custom elevated button. Custom elevated button needs some things. There are requirement things for the app color in my primary for like close to red. In my width I call my width not one on pressed. I call like this. After this, need to border radius. You look like if you don't remember any constants, you can look inside there. We have a child record things okay, double color and function on pressed okay. We need to call child before this border radius. I changed this. And my child is a text. Text copy like copy this and paste inside the where is this? We can say login button, just login, but is uppercase. Looks like a same thing for title. Login screen title call and but need to uppercase, and after this need to text style, edit this. Where is the wrong? Yeah, here. What not headline 2 is just like a 14px, and need to app color. Is this background? I think is okay. My just login button. After login buttons, just have a text and two social buttons. Let's create social buttons. I will create it inside two widgets buttons and call that social buttons dot dart like this. How to check my widgets? Yeah, we have a two buttons. There are Google sign in and need to Facebook sign in. Let's create class Google sign in. Extend custom buttons, custom elevate button and Google sign in, and with that edit my constructor. Not wanna requirement color with on pressed, just need to k after this requirement build context inside the color app color dot background width is the huge width. Need to call import my context extension. My login with have a context extension. Where is social button? Yeah. Inside on pressed. Close like this. After this, child Google PNG and my hi. I don't need this hi now. And I don't do one more coding there. But image asset is true, but I defined inside to my image path. I can change a project anytime fastly inside there. For this we call their app image dot google, and after this color with on press we call child, and need to one more key. Okay, after this, one more need. There are Facebook login, same things, sign in, actions, custom elevate button, call GitHub Copilot, Google text, key, background, color, asset inside the Facebook is very nice, and close my pages, and this line ignore, this line ignore. Yeah, finish my social buttons in call my login with. Before this need to call my text, this need to or login with social account. After this some row, help, here my page, body, text, yeah, here, widget, text, before social buttons, just call that name text, yeah, build context inside the text, with that, just call it to text app localization, copy, and social account login page. I need to style text styles called 14px, app color is black, and finish this. And this last things, my social buttons widget, need to roll. We call method because I'll use register in social button, Google sign in, and import. That's my widgets finish. Now we can call inside the body. Before inside my top have a blank there are, but before because I don't use back button, for this call size box and high. After this title, after title one more size box, and like this. After title form, called all form. After form we have a text button, remembered in close to form. I don't use any size box, empty. What is my forgot password, widget name, forgot password. After this we have a size box, maybe so big. And after this call my login button. What is my name? Login button. Call inside there, login button. After login button have a huge empty, maybe 16, and social button, but before social, not social, what is this social what is my name, text and social button. Let's call their text after closed my social button. Yeah, finished my login page. Let's look for emulator, how we can create that. I'm waiting for how it's running. And before for running, I will share on my GitHub. You can find all videos title, my branch name. I created branch name for video videos, my YouTube videos title. If you have need any copy code, you can access on my GitHub account. I will write comment my videos. Have a GitHub account. You can find there. What is this problem? Come example domain launch error. Is about that. Oh, create again. Close this. What is the wrong? I'm waiting. I hope it's running. Some emulator failed. Yeah, give a minute. Uh, I will run this, and after I edit my videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Again, I run my project. I'll show you how is look my page. I forgot empty and border radius. For this, I'll go to social buttons, edit inside the border radius, like 24. Again, here, good job. GitHub co-pilot inside my page. Center after this, inside you need to empty sized box call width. So big, not this big. Let's look how is that. I think everything is okay. You look this, we don't have a back button, and after look this. Yeah, thank you for watching again. See you guys.